So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. You want to find Windows Update. You want to scroll down until we find Windows Update, double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. You want to keep this open. Now for the next step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it and then click on Windows. You want to find a folder called Software Distribution. We're going to scroll down till we find Software Distribution. Double click on it. You want to delete everything in this folder, so just highlight everything and then click on delete. If this comes up, you want to tick the box to just for current items and then continue. And now once that's been done, we can now resolve this. Now you want to double click on Windows Update again. Make the startup type automatic and then click on OK. Double click on it again and then click on Start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.